How to use Gemini for students. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you the procedure to use Gemini AI for students. Now, student can use Gemini AI in various ways for various academic tasks by prompting it with their questions note as project at gemini.google.com. Now, for advanced features, student can also access the Gemini AI Pro by verifying the student status to get a free trial or student plan, which provide an enhanced capabilities like summarizing long document, reading visuals, and drafting emails from with Google Classroom as well. So basically, you want to go to gemini.google.com and sign into your account with your existing Google account. After that, you will be taken to this field. So here at the bottom, you have the text field. You could just go ahead and type in the prompt, what you actually want to do it. You could enter a text, image, or audio prompt in the message box to ask questions or provide information. Next, you could engage with a guided learning for step-by-step interactive or ways to understand a complex topics, which include checking comprehensive with questions as well. If you also want to upload file or document, you could do that by tapping on the plus button and you have the list of options available. So this way you could use Gemini AI for students. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.